Are you aware of the top tax deductions that could save you thousands as a real estate investor? Well, there's a treasure trove of savings hidden within the labyrinth of tax codes that many people often overlook. Today, we'll unveil 7 of these hidden gems that can significantly reduce your tax bill. Number 1 on our list is mortgage interest. A large portion of your monthly mortgage payment goes towards interest, and this interest is generally tax deductible. Whether it's your first property or a subsequent investment, the mortgage interest deduction can lead to substantial savings. Next up is depreciation. The IRS allows real estate investors to write off the cost of a property over a set period of time, typically 27 and a half years for residential property. This deduction compensates for the wear and tear on your investment over time. The third deduction is repairs and maintenance. From leaky faucets to repainting walls, the cost of keeping your property in tip-top shape is deductible. However, remember that improvements and renovations are not treated the same way tax-wise. Our fourth deduction is property taxes. As long as you own the property, you can deduct the real estate taxes you pay. This deduction can help offset the costs of owning property in high tax areas. Key coming in at number 5 is insurance premiums. Whether it's hazard, flood, or landlord insurance, premiums are tax deductible. This deduction also extends to mortgage insurance premiums. Number 6 is travel expenses. If you travel to your rental property for management or maintenance, you can deduct these expenses. This includes mileage, flights, and even meals during your travel. And finally, the 7th tax deduction is home office. If you use part of your home exclusively for managing your real estate investments, you can deduct a portion of your home expenses. To recap, the 7 tax deductions that can save you thousands as a real estate investor are mortgage interest, depreciation, repairs and maintenance, property taxes, insurance premiums, travel expenses, and the home office deduction. Remember, the goal here is not just to earn money from your real estate investments, but also to keep more of what you earn by reducing your tax bill. So take full advantage of these deductions and watch your savings grow. But before you do, it's crucial to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're applying these deductions correctly. They can guide you through the intricacies of tax codes and help you maximize your deductions. So there you have it, 7 hidden gems in the tax code that can save you thousands as a real estate investor. Use them wisely and watch your wealth grow. Happy investing.